Hello viewers, in this video we are going to simplify this expression. As you can see, this expression with exponents 3x power 4 multiplied by y power minus 3 all into bracket power 2 multiplied by into bracket 9x power minus 2 multiplied by 5 y power 5 close the bracket all over 27 x power 3 multiplied by y power minus 1. So to simplify this expression, what we need to do is to first open the brackets of the first term over here at the numerator. There we now multiply by the other term at the numerator. Thereafter we now divide it by the denominator. So to start with, we have 3x power 4 multiplied by y power 3 all into brackets power 2. So multiplying the power with the expression in the bracket, we have that to be equal to 3 power 2 multiplied by x power 4 also power 2 multiplied by power minus 3 also power 2. So here this gives us 3 power 2 will give us 9 multiplied by this power multiply each other to give us x power 8 to multiply by this multiply each other to give us y minus power 6. So this is what we are left with. Nine x power 8 y power minus 6. The first term has been simplified, so we can now multiply it by the other term over here. So we now have, that implies that 9 x power 8 y power minus 6 multiplied by 9x power minus 2 y power 5 all in brackets. If we multiply this, we have 9 times 9 give us 81. So we also multiply the base, same base, x power 8 multiplied by x power minus 2, that will give us x power 8 plus minus 2. That is if we apply the rule of indices. So considering the same rule we'll be using for y, so that also gives us y power minus 6 then plus 5. So we can combine these together to have 81 x, this plus sign and minus sign will give us minus sign, 8 minus 2 y, then minus 6 plus 5 will then give us minus 1. So this will now be written as 81x 8 minus 2 equals 6 y power minus 1. Okay, this has been simplified. That is, all the expression at the denominator have then been simplified to this form. We can now divide this with this denominator over here. We now have that to imply 81x power 6 multiplied by y minus power 1 over 27x power 3 y power minus 1. So we can write this as equals to 81 over 27, then x power 6 over x power 3 multiplied by y power minus 1 over y power minus 1. So we are considering the base and the base. So this divided by this will give us 3. Then this divided by this will then be written as this identity that says base a power m over base a power n is written as base a power m minus n. So we write this in this form, we put it this form and this form, while this also in this form. Then that gives us x power 6 minus 3, then multiply by y power minus 1 minus into bracket minus 1. So minus multiplied by minus will result to plus. So this then gives us 3x. So y 6 minus 3 will also give us 3. Then y minus 1 plus 1. Okay, this then gives us 3x power 3. This minus 1 plus 1 means 1 minus 1. So this then gives us y power 0. So this y power 0 can be written as this identity that says base a power 0 equals to 1. Okay, so this can then be written as 3x power 3 multiplied by 1. And 1 multiplied by anything equals to that very thing. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 1 multiplied by 4, 4. 1 multiplied by 100, 100. So we write this as 3x power 3 is going to be our what? Our final answer for the expression. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.